How to add a payment method in Facebook Ads Manager. Good day folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you today how you can take your Facebook Ads Manager and add a payment method to that. So you can either go over to the left hand side and you may find the Ads Manager in here in this menu. However, if it's not there, you can go over to the right hand side. At the top of your toolbar there is the menu icon, that is the 9 dots. Once you tap on that, you can see your menu here again, and you can travel all the way down to professional and you'll see Ads Manager. You're going to click on the Ads Manager. This will now take you into your Meta account. And on the left hand side, if you hover your cursor over the menu over here, the menu will open up, and over here you will see the billing and payments. So you're going to go ahead and tap on that. Right from here you will see the payments activity, and this sub menu over here will offer you the payment settings details, and you can tap on that. Now once you've tapped on that, over here you will see all of your payment settings, setting up your account, your current balance. You can then also view all of your current payment methods. However, over here it says I do not have any payment methods added, and then there is a button on the right hand side of that tab and it says add payment method. Now once you tap on that, you will have to go through the process of adding your business and tax information. So this is optional and you can go ahead and tap on edit. You can now enter in your VAT ID over here, and then you can add your payment method. So you have now selected the debit or credit card, and you can tap on that. And then if PayPal is available in your country, you will have a PayPal option here as well. And then if you have other third-party payment options, you will also have these options in over here. You can now also add a credit claim over here if you do have a credit claim, and you can then use that credit claim against your payment method. You can then tap on next, and right in over here you will add your name on your card. You will also enter your card number, your expiry date on the actual card, and then the CVV, which is the security code on the back of your card. Once you are done, you're going to tap on save, and your payment method will now be saved in over here. So where it says payment methods, it'll be listed over here. And there we go folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Happy payment setup. Cheers.